Hi, my name is Ossi Oikarinen. I'm an F1 engineer and I also drive drag racing cars. Today we are going to show you how to do an RVS treatment on a power steering.
RVS P2 is designed for treating power steering units. Applying the substance is easy by following the enclosed instructions. In the package you find a syringe, short hose, RVS gel tube, and easy-to-understand instructions in several languages. Set the hose on the syringe end and squeeze all the RVS gel into the syringe. Turn the syringe upright and set the plunger carefully into the syringe. By keeping the syringe upright, you prevent the RVS gel from splashing out of the syringe. Thereafter, draw approximately 20 milliliters of oil from the power steering oil reservoir and some air into the syringe. Mix the gel and the oil in the syringe by shaking the syringe thoroughly for about 30 seconds. After that, squeeze the mixture from the syringe to the power steering oil reservoir. In order for the substance to enter all the possible places in the system, start the engine and turn the steering wheel from one extreme position to the other for 3 to 4 times. If you are restoring a system that has a slight defect like extra noise, you may continue turning the steering wheel for much longer. After that, drive the car for at least 10 minutes, preferably on winding roads or in urban conditions with constantly having to turn the steering wheel.